Hello, if we are a business owner or accounting professional who would like to get a better understanding of what our accounting software is doing, and or an accounting student or student in general who would like to get a better understanding of what our accounting textbook is doing, this course is a course for us. If we would like to get a better understanding of the basics of Excel, this course is a course for us. Business owners, accounting professionals, and accounting students having the same problem of focusing in on one small component of the big picture at a time and not being able to see how that component fits in to the big picture. Business owners focusing in on cash flow and revenue. Accounting professionals focusing in on their component of accounts receivable, accounts payable, or payroll, and the data input into the accounting system. Accounting students focusing in on their component of the textbook. The textbook walking through the components of accounting to put together the big picture, but as we go through those components, we're only focusing in on one small aspect at a time. As students go through those small aspects, they lose connection to the big picture and therefore the relevance of why we are learning the small component that we are learning. This problem being caused in part by the fact that a textbook is restricted by what someone can read and or problems that they can do by paper and pencil. If we have the ability to sum up long columns of number very quickly in something like Excel, and the ability to explain how to do this in a step-by-step format, we can look at more big picture problems more often and see how these things will be related. That's what we will do here. Why take this course? It will be a comprehensive course for accounting, and Excel will learn components of the accounting cycle and the basics and fundamentals of Excel. Learning accounting without learning Excel or learning Excel without learning accounting is a waste of time and not an efficient way to learn these two critical components to any business. Why? Because like the accounting equation, like assets equaling liabilities plus equity, the accounting is equivalent to Excel in many ways, and therefore, in order to learn accounting well, even the basics of accounting, learning Excel will accelerate the process and make it more useful to us in application. The same is true for learning the fundamentals of Excel. This course will not be a comprehensive course covering everything that Excel can do. That is not an efficient way to learn Excel, because unless we are actually applying those components, then we won't retain the knowledge that we're learning about Excel. What we will learn within Excel is the fundamentals, those things we use 99% of the time, those things that we need in order to build on our knowledge of Excel from that point. Those fundamentals including addition and subtraction within Excel, as well as summing up long columns of numbers. Accounting is perfect for learning those skills. We will learn those skills well through repetition and applying to practical problems within an accounting problem. What will be included? This will be a comprehensive problem. Although we have much more than just instructional video, we do have around 20 hours of instructional video. It should be more than that by the time this course is completed, and we can add to that as we go. But at this point in time, we have around 20 hours of actual instruction within the course. In addition, we provide Excel worksheets with just about every presentation, allowing us to work through the problem as we go. Each Excel worksheet will have at least 2 tabs. That will include an answer tab, which allows us to see the answer, how things have been constructed, how the worksheet is put together, and a tab that will allow us to enter that data as we watch it through the instructional videos. Who will we be learning from? We will be learning from somebody who has practical accounting experience, someone who has teaching experience in business and accounting, and someone who has curriculum design experience. Someone who is a practicing certified public accountant, someone who is a chartered global management accountant, someone who has a master's of science in taxation, someone who has a lot of teaching experience and is a certified post-secondary instructor, and somebody who is a curriculum design expert, somebody who has experience putting together courses, comprehensive courses, courses of a technical nature that are interrelated in a way that makes sense and allows students to flow through the process in a logical fashion. What will we learn? We will learn the accounting cycle, and we will learn the basics of Excel, addition, subtraction, and summing up within Excel as we go through the accounting cycle. We're going to list the accounting cycle components here and go through what we'll learn specifically, so bear with us here. We will be learning the journalizing of journal entries, 2 months of information. We will be posting to the general ledger. If you don't understand what that is, that's okay. We will learn that as we go. We will be creating a trial balance. We'll do the adjusting entries as of the end of the month. We will also have bank reconciliations, something often overlooked by many comprehensive problems, something very important. We'll have practical bank reconciliations. We will create financial statements. We will then have the closing entries and reversing entries within our complete accounting cycle process. How will we be taught? Through viewing and then doing. We will show the process through a presentation video. We'll give the process through an Excel worksheet with an answer to it, and then allow an Excel worksheet to be implemented and completed along with the instructional video. Presentation quality. What will the presentations be like? This, in essence, will be the presentation quality. What you see here is not an advertisement of much higher value than what you'll be receiving within the course. This is, in essence, what we'll be receiving in the course in terms of presentation quality, and we'll also be receiving other resources such as Excel worksheets within the course. So please join us in learning accounting, Excel, debits and credits. It will be great.